Welcome to another podcast. In this podcast, we will discuss pronoun and its types. We will discuss 15 types of pronoun in this podcast. If you watch completely this podcast, you will no need to watch any other kinds of document or video. Let's start. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used instead of noun is called pronoun. It replaces noun is called pronoun. As you know that it will make the writing concise and avoiding repetition. What is personal pronoun? The basics. Definition of personal pronoun is replace specific person, people's things. They vary depending on person's numbers and genders. For examples, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Or example, I am happy. I'm happy. I is a pronoun. She is kind. She is a personal pronoun. She is personal pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Showing ownership. Possession means ownership. Possessive pronoun indicate possession or ownership. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. This book is mine. This book is mine. That bag is hers. This is called possessive pronoun or show ownership. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun referring or reflecting back. Definition is reflective pronoun refer back to the subject, indicate the action is performed on the subject itself. Action is performed on the subject itself. For example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example is he, her, himself. Himself is reflecting back to the he. We enjoyed ourselves. Ourselves is reflecting back to the we. Another type is demonstrative pronoun pointing out. Demonstrative means pointing out. Demonstrative pronoun point to specific things indicating proximity or distance. This, that, these, those. There are four types of demonstrative pronoun. This is used for single near things. That is used one thing for away far away things. And these is used for more than one for near and those is used for more than one away from the body. Okay, example is this is my pen. This is my pen. This is indicating point, indicating out, pointing out. Those are her shoes. Those is also using as pointing out. These are called demonstrative pronoun. Next one is interrogative pronoun, asking questions. Interrogative pronoun introduce questions seeking information. Seeking information is called interrogative pronoun. Who, whose, what, which, who is calling, what is your name? They are called interrogative pronoun. Another type is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means connecting clauses. This is used for connecting clauses. Not only clauses but also phrases, sentences, and also used for words to connect words. For example, definition is that relative pronouns connect clauses or sentences providing additional information about a noun. Who, whom, whose, which, that. This girl who one is my friend. Who is using as relative pronoun. Another type is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite means generalizing references. For example, definition is indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific peoples. Non-specific peoples are things. For example, in emphasizing general, for example, someone, anyone, everyone, nobody, few, many, several, all, some. Someone is at the door. Someone is also called a indefinite pronoun. Few people is also called definite pronoun. Know the truth. Another type is reciprocal pronoun. Definition is showing mutual action or relationship, each other, one another. Another type is subjective pronoun. Act as subject of a sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Another type is objective pronoun. Act as object of a sentence. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Distributive pronoun refer to individual in a group separately, each, every, either, neither, and exclamatory pronoun expresses strong feeling, what, such, how, and intensive pronoun emphasize a noun or pronoun, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, themselves. The difference between attentive and reflexive pronoun is attentive pronoun is used at once the noun or a pronoun, and reflexive pronoun is used as a reflecting back to the noun or pronoun. Another type is possessive adjective pronoun. Definition of possessive adjective pronoun is similar to possessive pronoun, but they are used before noun. They are used before noun. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. My car is a possessive adjective pronoun. Is new. Their house is big. There is also possessive adjective pronoun. Another type is expletive pronoun. What is the expletive pronoun? Definition is that pronouns used to fill out a sentence without referring to any specific person or thing. For example, there, it is raining, there is a problem, there is a problem. There is also used as an expletive pronoun. Another last type of qualitative pronoun. Definition: pronoun used to refer back to a quality or amount of something. For example, some, may, few, more. Many are interested. Few have replied. Few is used as a qualitative. Okay, this channel will help you to improve your English grammar, listening, and speaking skill. Please subscribe it and share to others. Let's enjoy the podcast.